Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the SONY ULT FIELD 5 and I'm going to tell you how you can easily install it for your iPhone and how you can easily set up your application with your speaker. At first we have to open App Store and here we have to enter search, but as you can see I have full internet connection. Search, and in the search we have to search for Sound Connect. Here. Now we have to tap this button to install the application. And now we have to just wait until our app is installed. Now our app is installed. Let's tap open. And now I prefer to be connected to your speaker before the whole process. I am now. And now we have to tap I read the above contents and agree, and we have to select our country of residence. I will select, for example, the United States. Done. Now start, and here we have to agree for the privacy policy of this application. Now we have to agree again or disagree, it's just your mind. Now we have to allow for the Bluetooth devices, we can allow for notifications. As you can see, our speaker will be found in a moment. Registered, okay. And now I can sign in, but I won't. Continue without registering. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.